Levi Baro. Ni pilihan subhai ki cakap dengan kubor ini ke Cable News. Hashua bini kami ki kubor ke babnia ngina phasha skimat pekongsan joko kubor mentah ketayo. Ban penyang iki kerdap kamdai setia ke bae. Kajingnya kadi banwan rakyat ong okon rat sangma. Prapusan nak sispal ada bansa miki enumeration form skinong buat Meghalaya apok ke special intensive revision. Ngimtre ban long kilang kenya nagabenta ke jingha ke India ong ke KSU. On wanra ke sarkar de resolution ke garbar tauan ban persya ke kamti uranium. Bani ke bade artengka sekilo kadang bah basam yu kubi sekipat ba da ke jing iet ong kinong rap. Khot hajar ki pulit diutrai bat kontraktor halo ke jinyap kisan ngot halapala. But laraki akan mau buram ni kelingkuk senam senyap ke basispa kenai puwei jong tirot sing siem. Menteri Rangba ke Jela Meghalaya Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulapan pawe ke jingkermen baga jingpen kela ne ke amendment ya ke Meghalaya Residents Safety and Security Act kenirap ban aibor ke sarkar haga ban pentrikam ke jing perking halor ke jingwan rongker tap ki brio ki banabar. Nalor kani ula kular ban syem ki senjam ki beteng persya ya ki bapen khani ki kendon an bat ki badan keti haga jingja ke basngosi halapalang haga nong ba shlong haga ba sangut ki brio ki do no yala ke jing em. Menteri Rangba ke Jela Meghalaya Konrad Kongkal Sangma ula pensyai bagi jing peniang ya ke entry exit point ho umling. Kamdi setia ke jing ya ke bakrau hendrai ke jing ya besisya ke syong haga jing wanra bagi jing pentre kam ya ke an. Kabala ban kemi benia iki briog buan rung. Halor kani ula penpau ke jing kermen bagi jing penkala ne amendment ya ke Meghalaya Residents Safety and Security Act MRSSA. Kenera ban aibor ke sarkar ke ban pentre kam haga rukom ke baper king bhai kini ki iki baro. Ula menjor baga jingkran jong menteri ketena jong okai pertai Timothy Dishira halo ke jingdan kam ya ke Tourist Registration Center. Ndai ula banjor batang ke jingtai ke kerdop klam ke an ke baklan kamla benweng ya ke jing ya ban khanglat ke jingrom kertap ke brio go na bar ke Jela. Ula benrap baga jing trekam bah jong ganung ke kerdop kemi benia ke syong ya ke jing kersan bat ke jing syania ha ke an.
So getting an entry exit checkpoint is not an issue. We can set it up today, we can set it up tomorrow. The question is about having a legal mechanism to implement and actually enforce a checking that should happen. So that's where the problem and the challenge is, and that's where we were hoping that the MRSSA amendment would then allow us to have that system in place. So putting up a gate is not an issue at all, but making it and enforcing it to check and what kind of checking takes place, that is a key issue. So opening up a gate tomorrow and having a person sitting there is not going to serve the purpose. So he's right in the sense that we set up, but as I said, in order for it to become actually effective in the way that we would want it to be, it would require some work to be done, which is what the MRSSA amendment was supposed to be. We're working on it. Let's hope for the best.
Menteri Rangba ke Jela Meghalaya Konrad Kongkal Sangma ula kular ban syem ki senjam ke beteng persya ya gitu ki bapen khani kendon an bat ki badan keti ke jingja ke basngosi halapalang shlong ke bal syem ke jing em jong kinong tribela ke bayap na ke jing yo ring mensiem ya ke tedam generator ke bagidang pom na ke pung habakran kinong tho kubor Menteri Rangba ula kedo bag sarkar kana map igi bapen khan bat kan penstom teng ki namar ki klembot igi jing perkheng ke ladan lupa sho ule tho bakine ki lanot ki ki bawan kilong yang ki badok bak sarkar kana kami benia kilat klenti ban ai jingerap ya kilong yang jo kini kala klat wala ki kendon ka disaster management ke sarkar kem kentup yakum kini ki jingja menteri Rangba ula benrap ru bu ula yo opdiang ya ki sti jingkerpat ni ki dekhot benginong trei ka seng NPP ni ki constituency baper kentup nado kanong thema unit bat ki wei de unit ban kentu ke sarkar ban ajingerap bat ula kular ban sa syem karai ban ajingerap haba perkhat lem ke jinglong jingman ba ke jingkerdo jong kini kilong jiang.
Yeah, I mean, action will be taken against those who are doing this. There were rules, laws, and certain things were prohibited. Individuals who are not following those prohibitions are breaking the law, breaking the rule. Appropriate action will be taken against them. And also, we are examining that there are some requirements because they are all from very, very economically weak section of society, those who passed away. So therefore, we are looking at ways in which we can give some support. So I'm examining. I had received a letter yesterday from some of the party members from the National People's Party. The Nongthamai unit had written to me and so did other units from even uh, if I'm not wrong, I think one was from Mokrim, and one more was there were two more from a different constituency. So all the constituency party units have written to me. So I'm examining and seeing how we can help. The problem is that under the disaster management, there is no provision to support in accidents which happen like this. But as I said, because they are from very poor background, I will examine the matter and then I'll take a decision.
Kajela Megalaya kala jam syaprang bat haduk ke skibaar jeng ketoyo. Kalala ban pendep kumba prapusan na kasispa, ya kejengsam yaki enumeration form hapok ke program Special Intensive Revision SIR Arajar Arpun Rio. Ban penjenai ketup kerteng jeng inong tep vote ha kajela. Kajela Megalaya kalala ban pendep kumba prapusan na kasispa aga jengsam yaki enumeration form hapok ke Special Intensive Revision. Ban penjenai ketup kerteng inong tep vote. Hadu kakat sautrik unaitung arajar arpun reu lasam, ya gini form syaki kat kendai lak kendai pui hajar praspa prapulai ngut kinong tak vot, nagi arpulai lak sau kendai hajar nreu spa sau pusan ngut kinong tak vot beladap register. Bat kumba san lak nreu sau hajar nreu spa sypok ligi form ladap ban pendap neng baga digital bat ban upload pala kadang kejing jangka internet hagane ke porliur hagane ke kam ke West Janta Hills kalong ke bah kemat kejing sam gi form kad ba ke East Janta Hills pada kalong ke bah kemat kejing tap kerteng ke balik digital ban penslur kejing snok tilang jangki pat ba ni kisno gi tau ke office chief electoral officer kala penlong ya kejing pesto pat ba bat kejing trailang bat ki MLA hasilong Hakabedai bagarukom tray kampat kesencar kadar kelap penjari ki kendon ki baperking ban pensisha bagi booth level officer ki deman sam ki form da kablet bet chaman lagi tliu yeng janginong tak vote bat omchem lasha ban sam nak yeng ni ki jaka ki bomdai kini ki jepengkan mau kelami hadian bangladan ki jingkeno bo we BLO la sam ki form nak yeng we MLA barem ha West Shillong constituency Kepala penlong yang District Election Officer jangka East Khasi Hills ban hukum ban chimbiang ki form bat ban betha ki supervisor ban pentikna ya kerukom sam form ke badai. Nalor kani ki form ki bala pendap la IT batch ki BLO ban yo ya ke reset kat bagi nong sang shnong ki besong sapar ke jelapat kila ban pendap online leng ba ke portal jangka Election Commission. Kinong tap vote ki badan kam ban pensisha ki record kila ban page ya ke baseline registration roll jangka senam arajar san negi website ni ada kebapenan kami ki kot kisla jangki kimi ki pa negi bahayeng naga mapping jangka senam arajar san.
To have more awareness among the electors and encouraging eligible citizens to actively participate in this revision process. To ensure effective monitoring and timely implementation of SIR, we are conducting weekly VCs with the district election officers, EROs and AEROs, and during these reviews, different aspect of the SIR is already being briefed, and we try to address different issues coming across, and the officers who are like the supervisor, AERO, ERO, they are closely monitoring the work of BLOs and to promptly resolve the issues at the field level to ensure all the activities are carried out smoothly and completed strictly within the timeline prescribed by the Election Commission of India. So we appreciate the tireless effort of the district election officers, electoral registration officers, AEROs, supervisors, and booth level officers, especially who are doing the house to house visit and helping the elector to get this enumeration part filled properly and collect and digitize for their dedicated effort toward the successful implementation of SIR in the state. So, electors who are not yet received or submitted their enumeration form are requested to cooperate with the booth level officer during their house to house visits and complete the process at the earliest. Electors may also contact their respective BLOs for any assistance regarding the special intensive revision, and they can book a call with BLO, and BLO is supposed to address all those queries issues within stipulated time frame. So CO office is once again appeal all eligible electors to actively participate in the special intensive revision 2026 and ensure that every eligible citizen is included in the electoral roll. and strengthening the democratic process and upholding the principle of inclusion and participative elections. So once the pre-printed enumeration form already been distributed, so we through the BLOs we request at least all the electors who received the enumeration form, they should fill the respective information in the prescribed columns and submit to the BLO. And there are the two form has been given to each and every elector, so they are supposed to take the receiving copy from the BLO, and BLO is supposed to digitize all those forms and then up through the BLO app. So this is one process where we request the support from all the sections, and lot of awareness, more awareness on the different aspect is required. So our officers in the field are there just to address all those issues. One common query is coming from the different sections, like if person is not present during that time of visit at their place of stay or staying outside of the state, like the student, patients who are going out of the state for the treatment or for the employment purpose, how they can come and fill their form, or they are supposed to come and do physically filling that and sign and give the physical form only. So that is not mandatory. They can fill the form online. So anybody, online form filling facility is available for all electors of the state, and they can fill the form. So they should download the ECI Net app, or they can log in through the portal and fill the form online. In respect to getting the details of the relatives in the previous SIR, which in the state it was as on 1/1/2005. So this electoral roll of 2005 is available on the district website and CO's website also. They can download and or they can access through the ECI Net or the portal to get the details of relatives, and they can fill this form properly. And as well as BLO has access to all the details, so BLOs are helping the elector to fill the form properly. So with the right information, the filled enumeration form to be collected timely by the BLOs. So all needful effort are being ensured to get this process done correctly. So entire machinery is on the job at the ground.
U General Secretary Batamai Kaseng Khasi Students Union, U Ruben Anderson Najar, ulamaham teng'e banti ia umar pokendo uranium na Meghalaya. Kamtam, haba kaseng kalalap bagladon ki hespa ki balalet cha Southwest Khasi Hills, banterwa pisa da kebahe iki beriau bansha banti ia uni umar pokendo u uranium. Nalor kaniu lo persya ajor ke jing temu ke sarkar jela ban penmi ya ke food court ha omling ke badan ha ke distrik Ribhoi. Ha ke jaka ke belat mulupa banshna ya ke facilitation center.
Repeated again and again that our government has made it very clear that we have said no to uranium mining in our state. So that's it, very simple from our point.
U General Secretary ke KSU Sengkeme u Ruben Anderson Najar ulapan pawe ke jing bamhun bar ulama hamru halor kamat di uranium ha Meghalaya. Hadin ke jingkran Menteri ke Sarkar Pedang bakarang dan ke jing temu banti yo uranium na Meghalaya. Habagrani kelat patai kubora ke kat sautrek unaitung arhajar arpun riau u Ruben Anderson Najar uloong bawa lau Menteri Rangba uloong bari menchania ke ketian jeng u kaseng kalap pat ke kam ke bamar Kongpong. Nama ragini ke sini lei bagi don ki hespa di beriau pejan bat ki menteri ki balik cha Southwest Khasi Hills ban kro bat terwa pisah ya ki beriau banca banti uranium. Halor kani ke KSU ke banjor ban penida ke kam ke Sarkar jelaru ke persya ya ka jing temu banti uranium. Kaseng ka ajung mo ke Sarkar jela bagadai ban pas de resolution hak yang dorbar tauan ban pen pau syai ba ke persya pat ban amsya banti uranium na Meghalaya. Kini kalau manfaat ke kubor ke basyai ke Sarkar Pedang ke baju kemilenti ban pai biang syakane ke mat na dau ke jing bam pat don ke jing pen pau ke basyai na yang kejela. Bat ke KSU ke banjor bagi laitli ke district council ke bedan hapo ke 6th schedule kidai ban wanra ya ki kendon an ki baperkeng ban tek lakam bat ban khanglat ki company ban thiet ki jaka ki beri ki nong kenti jong pat ba bat iki marpok kendo. Ka kubor ka bagaseng ka pha kalong ka basya sa ka sarkar preng balada kadang tubu ban penki ya kene gamat di uranium ka KSU kan sapet de kawai pat kelenti ka ba kamper king ka seng gala penram pat pen pausha biginong sok sunong ka megalaya kinom tre ban long lang kenya na ka benta ka jing bhan na ka jing mentoy jong kari India.
Armai menchua ngila yo ya kata information ba kadon ka ta ka jing ya terwa yari yathian hadin ngila iti ngila ba Henry nai menchua ru kila don ki nom yathian jaka but habadi biki jing penting penting smith ya kumbangan abatai ki beri ki ba persya ya banti union te ka kata ka ju jabet na ka por what hadu yang ngiru ki don bit ki ta ki beri ki ba penpoi ki anonymous letter ko ngi ba pidi banca no ta tari kita ngin pensu bangin ngin ka hi ban pentip hiru endre heki kini khindiat nai lai sau bana ke movement jo kan kaliang ka kita ki beri but ka MD ka along ka khamya khamstat pi minchi mentrai min last week ni ya ka office ya ka kali jong ka MD ka bucket ya ka tu kan ki officials jong ki MD manu ba escort ki Ndi State Police Henry ki Central Forces but ki paramilitary forces ru ki armed forces ru ki escort ki ya ki tu kali te kapini ba ka MD kam respect reh ya ka state government kam respect reh ka shnong kathau let's say ki wan chitu chakaru ling ba ki escort da let's say Ndi ki state police ru ki wan ling ba ki armed forces ru chete but ya ka jingkran jum usiam ba ong ba bangi abatai ba ka don ka movement jong MD bu ong ba unsa investigate bu unsa kali halor kata unta tingi up ya kata halor ka ni pej ya kata ka ibu uli halor tai benta ba bu ndi ban island ki officials jong MD bu kin let ban visit chiti ki jaka dangi tip ya kerteng Henry Kashulong no kumni ba ladang share ke kerteng hapi menta ngin don anything in concrete writing kumbangal akrani phi mene nganu ban challenge shinu ru habadi ba ka marase na marbangi don ki RTI ni don ki sebut ba kanu poru ngilaban pini phi Henry haba badi ba kini ki MLE ki bathi jaka stai ngitep manu bathiet ngitep nakinong ngilam snong ngitep Henry nimpat don pat kanu ka in return bunchu ong no bangin pini sipi namar kumau ngala batai mene kajing let kajong ki satai le seki kwa mungkin kalan ya ta kerteng kajong ki ne le seki indino kan kala esang don tan marba marsin dek ja kaniru kidon ki beri kila wan food ingi ba to se inga ko kenduk nyong imka ban kenduk kini ki ingkong silang mat ki bade la kajong beri imka hi bangin minum dan kajing mat Andre ai por ni girang wa tekna le si ding yo kanu ka ki kot ne ki pata ne ki ba pin I ba kadon kata ba don cha ta jingri thiet ting sa pen pau shapi
our plan is to make it a facility center plus this one registration of the tourists and we have in our plan we have provided at least 2 rooms for doing this official work, say registering the tourists. And at a time we say of registration, some time will be taken. So in that time you see whatever they have to spend waiting for the registration, they can enjoy at the same time. So we are providing the facilities for this like a restaurant.
General Secretary ka KSU Sengkeme Ruben Anderson Najar ulapan rem bat persajor gejing tumu ke sarkar jela ban penmi ke food court ho omleng haga district Ribhoi haga jaka ka balat mulupa ban snai ka facilitation center habakran ikilar patai kubor Ruben Anderson Najar ulapan pau ba ke MRSSA kamla ban sheme ke jaka jong ka inline permit ILP Hendrai kat ba 4 yo ke ILP na ke sarkar pedeng ke sarkar jela ka demen penteri kamno mardor ke MRSSA arajar ka nrio banyak daya kejela. Halor kejing temu ke sarkar ban khot ikran ke seng halor kania Ruben Najar ulah kedau syai ba omdei ban pelut por ba omdei ban khot ya ka KSU namar ke seng kam trek ban pediang ya ka food court ba kadawa ban sedang no ka facilitation center ha ketu kejaka. Unu no yalam ke KSU ulah penken mau bah ke senam arajar kat lai keladon kejing ki bandawa ILP. Ba ke sarkar jela ha ketu ke por kelawan ra ke MRSSA arajar kat nrio ban penbiang ikilat jingada kat ba 4 yo ka ILP. Walala pediang ya kani hakas nem arajar kan Rio baladi bantau ki district task force Sarkar kam shimla pentri kam yaka. Bada kesnam arajar ka kandai kalau warak penban ya ke amendment. Ruben Najar ula penpawe ke jing bam smuthu balai bagi sarkar kawanra ya ke MRSSA arajar ka kandai. Kabarang sakut bat bishar hapo katenat Home Affairs ke sarkar pedang bat Presiden Kari. Namar haba pula benia eka kamnan ke jing PRA bat ke MRSSA arajar ka Andrio. Lain notang iwi kendon halor ka jing penstom ikib ajing te bakla kabala aban lek dikibai pat ki an ki baladon. Ilong syuk bagani ka penpa bu sarkar kam ko aban pentre kam ka an arajar ka Andrio bat kawara khnang ka an arajar ka kendai ban penkelumar ka kam wala ka yeng syari ka klem khang satya ban pentre kam yaki facilitation center. Kaseng gebo jing keli halor ka jing kuak sarkar ban penkla food court ke jaka bat ka pendam jor ka jingkran menteri rangba bat menteri ka tenat jung okai perthai ki belam baklai pat ba da kebong ba omdan an mat penyeng kerdop kat ba MRSSA kala kedau lupa ki kendon kumno ban penteri kam ya kani.
Section 17 kabatai, the state government may establish facilitation center at such places and such location, particularly at the entry and exit from the state as may be notified in the official gazette. The section 17 kala don dekan. To kumnu pi ong ba ka kumnu ki ministers ki ong ba kam don kata ka entry exit point. Takarang ong ipi kini ki ditang ki khubar hamsaya boro ki ale ban penbit upat ba halor ka jing shangan ku jongki Henry nakalyang taseng iong kani kalabyang penteri kam no mador ke marsi imko ashuban snap kini ki khubar hamsaya ni ki ong bangi ko ban penklan chuchu ang marai kata ILP late am penteri kam ke marsi kadiman jong ILP kadang yang ini namar ba hakani ka RTI bangi file ru ka nusin ka jela Meghalaya kala tho shaka Ministry of Home Affairs bandawai ka ILP hadu menta kat kumpani ka RTI ka ong bakadang thotang arsin ausnam arjar khandai ba ausnam arjar arho but boro arsin ni clear hadu kala yo jubab ne kapat yo jubab ne habade bat ILP ki ong bang ki kami ko jubab kata ko ba sungsi ba kat ka sarkar kami o jubab ha bade bak ILP henry ni hakini ki knet singi baladam ni kendu yu amicha halor ka ILP but nakalyang ka ministry ka phai ka shithi ni but ka jubab ni te haba ini kamut ka Ministry of Home Affairs kadang buram ya ka issue banyak ka government of Meghalaya.
Menteri Rangba ke Jela Meghalaya Konrad Kongkal Sangma haga simpalai jong katayo ula penbena bagi sarkar Jela hapo ke jingelam jong keseng National People's Party kanwan rak daga resolution hak yang dorbar tawan ke Jela ban persyajor ya kan no ke jing temu banti ya uranium ubadan haga Jela Meghalaya. Hagini kesing iblalet kilabon ki kubor ki bami haga baydai bakajing persya banti ya uranium. Kiladon ki kubor ki baladon ke jingdawan na ki district council banak sarkar banwara ada resolution ban persya ya ka kamti uranium haga Jela. Kiladon bon ru ki jing kentho baladi ban persya da kabora ada resolution bat bon ki ki balapan paula lagi jong jing sngo ba amdai ban kersya na ke jing temu banti uranium na ke Jela Meghalaya. Ladon ruki kubor ki boong badon ki bala persyang banlet cepo kathan domyasiat hagaban persyang ban penbiet iki beriau kena bikin syak banti ya uranium. Halor kini ki ai baro Menteri Rangba ke Jela Meghalaya Konrad Kongkal Sangma hakakan ro tarik unaitung arajar at mundriu. Ula pensyai baga sarkar ke yang scam bat ka krensyai baga persya ke jingtmu banti uranium na ke Jela. Menteri Rangba ula penbena baga sarkar Jela kanwanra bat menjur ke resolution kenang ban persya bat ban khang ya ke jingtmu banti uranium na ke Jela Meghalaya. Dag ba pensya syuk baga sarkar kam jumenjur bat kam kersyan hiru ke jingtmu banti ya uranium na ke Jela. Kibobon kipat baru kilapan pau ke jing sungokya bala dasyak banti ya uranium kan kita ke mariang bat kan kita ki brio bat ki emlang salang hebro koi. Da kene ka jing ong jong Menteri Rangba ba on menjur ke resolution kelawara jing syai halor kene gamat. Hakaba dagi snam gladon ki jing bom smusyai hakaba dai bat ka kamti uranium. Nri menta ke sarkar ka ku aban pensyai ba ke jing scam hakanong rem ba kan persya abed ya ke jing temu banti uranium.
Recently, our Honorable Minister of State, Dr. Jitendra Singh Ji, was in Shillong for a program. And during the short discussion with the press had asked him about the situation or the stand of the government of India in regards to uranium mining in the state of Meghalaya. Dr. Jitendra Singh had clarified that Government of India has not made any decision on that matter, and the Government of India is still examining, but no decision has been taken. This was not clearly mentioned in the press, but his statement is very clear that Government of India has not decided on any step forward. Number two, I have made it very, very clear number of times that the state government, especially our NPP-led government, is against the uranium mining, and that we have made it clear that we will oppose any form of attempt to have uranium mining in the state. Yesterday, I had a very detailed meeting with a large number of party leaders from the NPP. And in that discussion, apart from many other subjects and issues, the subject of uranium mining had come up. All the leaders of the NPP have suggested to me that the state government and the assembly must unanimously come out with a resolution to oppose the mining of uranium in our state of Meghalaya. Based on the suggestions and the decisions made by the NPP leaders in the meeting yesterday, we are moving forward and we will be working towards passing a resolution to oppose the mining of uranium in our state, to show our commitment towards this decision of not allowing uranium mining, as we are aware about the different implications that it could have on our people, on our environment, on different aspects of our forest, and the overall impact that it can have on the people and the future of our state. And hence there are too many risks that are involved, and hence we are very firm, as I said once again, that we will oppose the uranium mining in our state, and we will work towards passing a resolution in that aspect. Thank you so much.
Ban penisha kepertai ya kejing bat kejing jenjar ke bakrau ke balamat de kinong rap. Ke Hills Farmers Union hakasi palai jeng katayo ke penlong ya kejing ki ke ba compare. Ha ke ba kelasam ki kubi shikipat ba State Central Library Hashlong. Namar kejing hiardor palat ukubi ke ba kinong rap kimla asyuk bandia ke ba kilala bandia no tang hakador artengkas kilo ke ba kilong ba kelong kejing do nong syabah palat. Kawai kebapan kendet ya gibreo kenong ba Shillong ha kabaki nong rap kilapan pau gejing sokya ba gejing ke bakrau ke bakimat ke bapa ukubi bat sam u shikiro pat ba kenong ba Shillong. Kani gejing penpau gejing sokya kalong nagadau gejing herdor pelat ukubi ha kabaki nong rap ya bandia yu hagador ke ba artengkas kilo ke balapan gejing trish tam jengki. Haka kandok trek unaitung hajar arpunreu ke Hill Farmers Union kalawan kit kali ukubi bal aid kinong rap ban sam pat ba State Central Library Shillong ban penpau gejing ke bagi nong rap kiman. U Presiden ke Hill Farmers Union ubak Commander Shangkliang ula penpau bagani gejing hiardor ke lapan gejing trish tom jeng nong rap gejing sam kalong kom kalat ban pensengo pat ba ban penkedet ke sorkar halor gejing jenjar ke bagi nong rap kimat aba gejing lut kala kamhe ban gejing yo. U General Secretary ke Hill Farmers Union ubak Kharsentio uli tu bagi nong rap ke East but West Khasi Hills kila syak tajor kene gejing hiardor bat kene kilaong bagalong gejing nyopo ikinong rap. Ula pensyai ban kebentashis pa nor ke jaka ke pemi komandru ton ukubi kinong rap ki hapandot hadu andropo wajar tengka. Ndrai ladadi hakador artengka ki yo tangkat hajar tengka bak kene ke penlong yaki bandu nong hadu sopu prahajar tengka. Bat kimla asyuk ban siau ya karam ke baki syem negi bang. Kejing ya ke bakrau kolong bakat ba kinong rap ki hapandi hakador artengka hayo pat ukubi upoi hadu laipo tengka sekilo. Kaba penlong yaki kinong rap baki nong bam ban jenjar lang. Ban kemi ene gejing kinong yalam kile kendo yu Deputy Commissioner ban kentu ke sorkar ban pa ki officer ban petngor ban kemi bnya ya kador hayo. Kinong rap ki kentu ke sorkar ban thau ko ke committee ban kemi ke jinglot ju kinong rap bat ban pentri kamru ya ka market intervention scheme kumbala Juliet menshwa kenang bantiet ya ki marrep akador bat ban pendok pendam ke jing syem kabu ha ka baki nong rep pat ki mat ikne ke jing e kabal ne menta la arbenai
Kumpniang kidan kedor, yau kau kidan kedor, ya ke sini kidan kedor, telesi la kaliang jo ke government da kala ban monitor, ban sngautu kat no ke input price jong nong rep, tengah terai kila ken ban ong ban kani kedor jong umar umat jong ne ujur kamdei banduna kata tingka. Namar mentala rangi kan upan rupai sandru tingka. Ubro kili rungim yodor, ubit rungim yodor, upresben rungim yodor. Terperkat kumno kayeng kadang nong rep kala pan besar pan pendat kayeng kesam. Serta kadi ka bangingi sokia Tehendrai kat bagi nong bam pade kitiram tena dukan. Ngiru ngiyap kinong bam rukiyap. Tehendrai mano ba em tengiru ngimtip lay kata. Tedai namar kata kadaw kani kadai ka jeng persang ka berit ka jongi bangin ya tu pat ba. Ba nong rep udan hak sosap nong rep udan hak jingjar uto nong rep hak tu kasengi bangili kendo ingi uang ba menta usnam nganum siu ya kalun namar ba lare ki kem ro ai bakin kem namar ba ngamla ban pendap tangi ya kayeng kesamru kata kadi ka message ka basai tiki babun kiwi ru kinong rep ki badan hak kalun na tharai ken menjur ya kani ka jing ka baki ya kendo hak ka bide kinong rep jor hak jela ka jung ya ubiru dei weni ki marep bala yar dor bha mata ni don ya ke jing snow si hak bede bat kene ke jing hedor te kum kadak jung ke jing sung si te ngi la long pilas tu yam haba hedor te long ba ai ya kani kalong buka gesture ka bangi ni le bagin ai ya kini kubi kum kadak ba don haba deng ke jing mar kala ya kaju bat ke jing ai hi namar ba kubi mentawla tak dor palat te kata ketika bor ke bani kwa tanpa seki pajba bikin tip kam tambe seki bor sorka bikin tip ba ngidon pedeng kecing nomor kecing
ano poi dor me kubi betul
mentah poi arkengkau kubi di ta kelas 2 kadang pedeng kecing nomor ba kenika bai ngila bang ke bai tray rukam dapsyu di idon katuk ni ki mat ki bangi kwa ban penpau kawai ni kwa bagi pajbar kin sutho nang ka government ro kin sutho ajing sya lengba kan ni kubor ni ha si government bahkan constitute ya ka committee ba kan bu jingkhen ha ka bede bat ki bailut baisep ha ka bai tray kamut tolong tungka input cost enda ka committee kala don in place ban bu jingkhen naman ngi ngimpa ban ong himangi mateng lada ong himangi tele se kin ong ba office talk ka bailut jongki kalong sipo tingka la ne khat tingka tingkwa ba government kan constitute ka committee bahkan nginiatu mangi bahkan khen jingkhen sibu menta ka input cost la ne ka bai tray ka bai bela jongi kalong sipo tingka ke ukubi umdai kin banikyar umdai banwan haduk kendai tingkar terumut ni tu nong si tingkar lak nong ngi expect ko unkio ngamut ban ong ngi expect lak nong umpoi khatwei tingkar nang pangin yo nong si tingkar ni scam ka government ka sa bu ka committee ngi expect ro bahkan menteri kam ya kenika market intervention scheme hakaba dan ai jing yarap kin sya binong ra subu menta la khen ka input cost kalong sipo tingkar dengi di atingka te pratingka ngi expect ya government katiban ai syakini ki nong rep nang benum du nong pi hak ngipan tan pratingka la dari spok tang benum du nong alis nginyo ya kabai tre ye kiladon tengki kap ki bagi pentrikam ya kene ka market intervention scheme kum uni susar hakipot ki peladap tinggi expect bagi government kan ai ya kene ka market intervention scheme tangi kubi ri baro ki marep mentah genuk satu kubi riki babun ki marat bijungi habang irap dan tang teng jing nong sudah ki pajba ro ngikwa ba piniyatip ba inong rap iki dan teng jing ya hawaj ni ngimdai bangi by di hak tu ki retail dan rai teng se ki nong thit kala ba nong kumno kumta urem ma subu se kum halai kra la ne ai dari haban sung thu ba nangi hi nila du nong ngimtip ya kata ka jing sim yo nong jong kini ki nong khai in between ngimtip kat no ki sim dan rai ni kwa ban pesutu ba nangi hi te kula du nong
nangesa bangi dengan mentah ki bai pat ki kubor ngen sawan pai hadin kini ki jing mana
Anda pitharai karne ka bisa. Kali jauh na kane. Ba ka hospital te kala ajkai nang ni.
Binti Ashwa hang ni hadu nda de por kamu.
Sister, hapsi ukat no ma?
Kasurkar kala siulut ikijing lut jing separo. Namar man ka way pa ka way ka minsiam ka long ka bakordor.
Na opisian yang nagajan miat ngena pai biang segi benta jong ko kubor. Superintendent ki pulet ke District East Khasi Hills uba Vivek Siem. Ula bentep bagi pulet ki lakot hajar ya ki try bat kontraktor banti bania halo ke jingyap ki sanut ki nong bela ha kasnong lapalang ke balanget beklay oring mensiem ya ke tedem ke balong mi. Ke bami no generator kat bakidang pom ya ke na ke wei ke pung Ki pulet ki lakot hajar ki try bat kontraktor hadian ke jingyap ki sanut ki nong bela ha ke pung ha kasnong lapalang. Kebalangat bagadai bekliyo orang mensiam dekat tedam generator kat bagidang pom ke nak ni ngapung. Superintendent ki pulet ke District East Khasi Hills ubar Vivek Siem melitu bagi pulet kila register makot rumah halor ke jingbam shimkhia persya ki. Ubar Vivek Siem mulong bagadai ke jingja ke pesmusi akaba sanut ki breu kila yap apa kepung bat kila yap nomor kabi carbon dioxide bala register ya ka makot rumah apa kendon cis pa andrio nomor ke jingbam shimkhia ke balam sekejing yap berkendon sanpo bat sanpuai jangka Disaster Management Act. Uba Vivek Siem melihat balakot hajar ya utrai okey heng badu kontraktor M Bina ban penlong ya kejing tokit. Balakot iki hapa ke kendon lai pulai jangka BNSS. Ki pulet kidang ap ke kai pot technical haswa ban rai ke ke bagi deban le. Ki pulet keempat ken satya yenu nuru halor kene kejing ja.
The last an unfortunate one indeed where 5 people died in a well, as you've seen that in papers that they died of carbon monoxide poisoning. A case has been registered under 106 for negligence leading to death, and section 51 of the Natural Disaster Act, and the 2 people who actually were being imputed out here is the owner of the premises, Carlos Hing, and contractor Marshall Bina. They have been summoned today under 33 BS of BNSS, and they've been examined, statements recorded. This case investigation is on, and we are waiting for the opinions from different departments like pollution, water resources and all that, and to see if there's any negligence on the part of the owner and the contractor. And after we get these opinions from them, as they've already visited the spot on Saturday, then we will take a call as to how the fate of the case.
They have not been detained.
No, it's a case under 7 years. Notices have been issued.
Daga jingi trailang hapadang ki pulet ke Meghalaya Assam bat West Bengal layo ban kem ya nrungut ki beriau ki bakentop ya laingut ki kena ki bahapok kat Prasnam Karta naga distrik Alipurdwar jong Gejala West Bengal. Halor ke jing keno bekiladan keti ha kaban penjat ki jing dan jing em jong ke Oakwood Homestay ke badan Harisa Colony ha kenong ba Shillong. Kajingi trailang hapadang ki pulet ke Meghalaya Assam bat West Bengal ke penlong ya kejingi okem ya hendrungut ki beriau kentup ya laingut ki kena ki bahapok kat Prasnam Karta. Kini ki beriau kila syak keno ba kila penjat ya ke Oakwood Homestay ke badan Harisa Colony Shillong. Habakran nalorkan ya Superintendent ki pulet ke District East Khasi Hills uba Vivek Siem mulitho bagi pulet kali apdiang ya ke jing ujor ha katwe tarik bala register ya ke Mokduma Mardor. Hapo kejingi terilang jogi pulet ka ko kerajhar bad Ali Purdwar layo banla bad kemi gini gibriau ha kejaka ke bahap apo ka thanat Samuk Tala kemudian ha ke distrik Ali Purdwar ha West Bengal ha ke por Sandunash Pua Janmir. Kilangut gibriau kibagentup yo Vikash Singh Avinash Singh bad akan Pratap Singh Uttar Pradesh ka ba kilangut ikena apat kidai kiberangkat nyusnem kerta. Kakunhun pulit na Shillong kalalik sa West Bengal banchimti yakini gibriau malayla mahkamat ke syari CJM Ali Purdwar bagi kini kena kemat ke Juvenile Justice Board. Lapan ngat ye kendon an jong ka section lai spa san pui lai spa arpusau lai bat lai san jong ke BNS bat superintendent ki pulit ule tho bagi jing toket kalihat cakamat.
Lisa colony by the name of Hopewood. We had received a complaint on the 11th that about two people had threatened and vandalized the guest house, and they had left without making compensation for the same. A case was registered immediately, and a team was sent the very next day, that was yesterday, to trace these people. We had been in touch with the counterparts from Assam, SP Kokrajhar and SP Alipurdwar, and in Samuk Tala yesterday at about 4 to 5 we had intercepted these people by the name of Vikas Singh, Avinash Singh, Akan Pratap Singh, and 3 other minors, about 17 years old. After the interception by Alipurdwar police in Samuk Tala PS area, our team from here had gone there to Alipurdwar and had arrested them and produced them in the court of the CJM in Alipurdwar. However, as the offences are below 7 years, they have received bail. The minors also have been produced before the Juvenile Justice Board. Though they have received bail, arrest has been made. Investigation will carry on to ensure that we charge sheet them at the earliest.
Ki nong yalam ka Khasi Students Union ha kasib arjung katayo kilali ikendo yo superintendent ki pulet ke district East Khasi Hills uba Vivek Sim. Halor ke jingsuki palat ki pulet jong ka mau diang outpost banjem kia ek ejahar persya aywe unas ubade ushenrang. Ya ke bala keno ula dan keti ha ke banjerong keti ya ke wei ke kena arit. Uni uhe pulet ula pentip bagi pulet kila pengat hapo ka kendon Pokso Act persya aywe unas jong ke negrims bat ken le ke badan kam kat kum ki kendon an. Ki nong yalam ka KSU sengkeme bala yalam do General Secretary Ruben Anderson Najar. Haka kalai trik unai tung arajar arpun reo kilalit benikendo yo superintendent ki pulet ke district East Khasi Hills uba Vivek Sim. Halur kejing teko trekam kejing suki ki pulet ka mau diang outpost bancem kia ke FIR ke belu ujor na do ka south trik unai tung persya we nurse budi ushenrang ke negrims. Yo bel keno bula jrong kti ke we kena ka bakat sansnem kerta. Keseng galapan pau bugi pulet kilong bakin sawan toket tang maredap le ekran keseng bad medical superintendent ke negrims hakan do trik unai tung. Nalor kene ke KSU ke 8 ramru halor ke jingmi ginas baki wei pat ginong trai ke hospital ban kershan bad yada yo ubrio ubrasha kenok don keti. Ha ke ba keseng kel ai jingmut badai ban pengat lang ha ke an gitu baro ke ba persang ban yada ya u. Ruben Najar ulai tho ba kene ke jing kendo superintendent ki pulit ula pensyai ba ke wei ni gidau jong ke jing penslam kelong namar ba ka mau diang outpost kam padon ke bor bagan chimti ya ki kam ke bedai bad ke Pokso Act. Penban superintendent ki pulit ula penti kena keseng bagi pulit glashim kia ban pengat une una sapo ka an Pokso. Bat kladap ban pengkre ka charge sheet po gini ki artayo kenang banla banwara senon yu sya ka ying syari. Shosho nagaliang ka KSU kalapha ban weng no sendon une unas nang ka kam negrims kenang ban amdan chok jing penthut jing toket ka badang ya chekman.
Pi ka Pokso aki kaladi kelupa ka an ka ba ya. Henry kidon pat kikendon untuk ba kai ka jingle ka tu kingat ha tu kendon ka jingle ka jong kuti ju ka ngat ha kendon ba ula ban sya set adu san snem di kidon ki ka ngai Supreme Court ki ba ong ba da kini jing set badi baduna Houston da don kam e ban kem ringi ni ban nya katang yong ba kumnu bali bikam kem nu paski balim kong Henry menta bala don ka bala khat saman ba u lawan te kapuni ba kinumla asu ban kem ringi ni dangai ban ni kata ba dehi ban kem namar menta tu bri unas di Rajasthan kumite la sharis ni du khan shaka jalal jong shing ni yo banewa te kadon ka res ru ba don escape ya kata jurisdiction jo ko tinya ban kita benta boro Henry kasyong ba ka jing start jo ki pulen kumnu bakin toket kumnu bakin bishar bakin pha ya ka report ka babiang shupo ko namar ba bun sing iba da don community jingja ka jing toket ka tulot takada hapo dakil apoi communication ko pat ka tulot no namar ba kindon ki evidence ki babiang bat ka sunjor no bat kamyo kata ka jing bishar ko ka jing ni na ka jing kran tan kalong kata ba na kalian kulit kin stat ya kane ka jing toket ka jungki kata ka beli beningkong kabar kalong no ba ikitu kibri ki ba mi bat kersan ni buri bali iki kam jaklia ikitu ro an punnak hati kendon dokaan kabalai ba kun kin tap shu kendon ke ba khamye kat kun ka investigation juki da ki klap tap shu kendon ki ban pun saja kini boro bat ka basa kalong no ban beng ni na po nikrim bat banum shal u bantri nang ni shikma abang ya keren cuma pok sukis kali ka pok sukis kini jingja ki bari cognizable offense but ki non billable offense kamu tang shuan ka FIR ki bulet kilala ban kep but ki kilala ban produce pokut ande ke ka ba penong ki bat bakin slam hadu asu sautre kala file FIR santrik ki pale ki khat man kimi ban wan sain ata kot apo renja PS bat hadin kata pat hadu 100 trek kin sawan siteng senya hadin bakaseng kala let kala tukular kala ai ka briefing sawan ki pul hatu papua ni kili ba beli katan ke jing ko te nakaliang jong sp la pinchai ba lese nomor ba ka pok sukis model ni outpost ki pala ban simi kani takada ki fa renja tekadon ka communication gap ha preliki hindre kem empat ba lingba ka ni communication gap kan pentulot ya kis yong ba nakaliang joki idang pet personally abadi kali penta ba ila batai ba kaca chi na ko ni khiniat skin ni khiniat tayo banwan bat impa ni shopot bat gawai bengi ban ba itu beri hari minta udang tri ya po ti ni ong ba di shuban tri ha po nigrams di ban weng no makro na market ba udang nigrams kamu udang la ban pengkelai statement ng la ban pengkelai ki evidence ki badan persya ju ban keren ki kiwi pat ula ban intermediate ni chong no ki da tin thareng kiwi pat ki nom teri ki badan hantu ka jingdon ka jungku hanti kanang tentulot ya kan ngakis bang ila dawa ba udi ban weng no magori una po jingtre ba ya kata ka ju ini ya kan hapo abdi ba kan nigrams bat nakalen ju yung hwa ya kata i kubur kata yung ba marsin cha chiri pa weng nang ba umungdon kanulu kata ka bor ba penstu bakla na ini ka man penjai ki evidence abadi ba kan ngakis
molestation case which happened on a minor in migrants. Police has promptly taken up a case under POCSO. We've examined the accused, notice has been issued. The victim's statement will be recorded in court from this taken tomorrow. Other steps in the investigation like TIPL will be done in the ensuing days. And once the investigation actually gathers all the facts and all that, we will come to a conclusion on submission of the final form.
Has the arrest?
It's under 7 years, and so it mandates by law to give a notice under 23(3) of the BNSS. In fact, we'll be submitting a report to the head of department in Migrants also regarding this incident, and it is for them to take a call on what to do with the accused. But nonetheless, investigation, there will be a fair and effective investigation, and that will come to conclusion after all the facts are gathered. And the case is treated as a special report case. Within the 60 days period, we will actually have a charge sheet in the case, depending on the evidences gathered.
Menteri Ketenat Kakot Kakya ke Jela Meghalaya Oba Wailat Miki Shela uli thu bagi sarkar Jela kan beteng menbut dia ne kejing dawa ban kentiu kerdan ya ke Negrims Shak Institute of National Importance. Halor kene kakam uli yok benekran bat Menteri Ketenat Kakot Kakya ke sarkar Pedeng haga jingwan pliu jingmu ju Shashilong Dangshan. Kadkum ke jingong Oba Wailat Miki Shela ke sarkar Pedeng kala kular ban pet kene kakam hendrai kala kerpat ke sarkar Jela ban penbiang ya bro kikot kisla ke bedon kam. Ula benrap ru bau Menteri rang ba ke Jela Konrad Kongkal sang mau rada penpau ya kejing trish tom lor kan ya badan kejing tu balik ikan do iki bor badai pet ya Delhi lagi benai banwan ban nang penbha bat ban penyo syo ya kini kejing dawa kenang bagajela kan yo shibun kejing mentoy bat bikinong snong bat kibawan Pak Sumar ken yo ya kejing mentoy.
When our Union Minister of Health came, JP Naddaji came here. At that time also, I had a word with him, and then at the same time, you know that he came here for one this meeting for this health committee meeting where the parliamentary committee also was there. So I got the opportunity to interact with them also, to meet them in Negrim itself. So where I at the same time I flagged this same issue with them as well. Then from their end, they have assured me that from their level also they will continue to follow up this issue, but they were requesting me that to provide them with proper documentation. So we are preparing, and then last time when I speak with our Honorable Chief Minister as well, that he also said that no, we'll follow up this matter. So I think very soon in the coming most probably in the coming months, so we'll go and meet, we'll take a delegation, we'll go to Delhi and we'll follow up this INI status for Negrims.
Kakasi Students Union Shillong Mingi Circle hakasing baar jong katayo dagjing sngo bitar halor kejing bamshim kya UDIG jong ka CBI ya kejing TBA nya ka mandir hapo office sarkar bad haba kejing ekran kam shim lapoi shanu ka KSU kalakang talano ya kene ka mandir ka KSU Shillong Mingi Circle hapo kejing lamu Assistant Organizing Secretary ka Central Executive Committee Ujaramaya Pothmi haga khatsau terek unaitung arajar arpun rio kelalit benekendo ya UDIG jong ka CBI halo kejing shnabean ya ka mandir hapo kene ka office sarkar abai kran bad une uhe officer ka CBI lami kejingnya ba kejingnya tai ka bajur hap regi khot ka seng bat keyboard penyat ka office namar gini kejingnya kran kem shimla poishno shnuru nakaliang jadi khot ka KSU kila penpau kejing sobitar na ka bakhang tala sendon ne ka mandir aba jingkran lor kania Ujaramaya Pothmi ulong banagaliang ka KSU Shillong Mingi Circle kalalit ikendo ki he officer ka CBI na do snam balalet ban pensno halor kani kejing TBA Loong bahagi tu kipor ke officer kila aga jing penti kena bagan omdan chok ke jing te ke mandir nredangshan keseng kali ojing tip ba ke jing pentrai ya kene ke mandir kala ya chekmat bat kala janda keseng kala khang tala sendon ya kene ke mandir bat kala maham bat ai porstayo kibor bali kimi ban pen prano sendon ya ka KSU kala maham ru bala kibor penyat kimle ai hapo kene ke por ke balabo keseng ke seshim de yiwe bat senjam ke bakam teng e halor kene
We will break it again. Then we will break it. Yes, please. Please. I am not doing anything. No, nothing. Nothing. Yes, please. Because what is this? What is this? No. Yeah, I am saying nothing will be constructed further. We will not construct anything. We have to. I am saying we will not construct anything further without. Who are you to give assurance? Here, बंद क्यों कर? He told you to lock there. How can you lock there?
We told him that to stop.
This is our house.
This is stop.
This is our house.
This is our land. This is our land. This is our land.
We have spoken
so many times about this.
Remove this organization from this state. Yeah.
That is
What is the issue?
Who are you? Who are you to tell that? Who are you to tell that? Who are you to tell that? First you stop. You give us a written you that this will stop, then only we'll open the lock. We need it in written. You first stop this construction and then only. This does not look like a place like a.
We came. You have given your letter now.
That is why though.
Then wait for our
Now I'm saying now. Why looking for your reply? For them.
Why you not correct now?
Don't touch her. From now on.
Ka jingwan jong ni nak leng seng ka sistem dan song circle hakani ka office jong ka CBI kalong hakwe kemat ba kabarem ba di stroke ya kawai ka jai ka yang mani bat nak leng seng ini kesan badap nilawan bat nilayakan bat ni officer badan ni bat kila ai sudan singi ba ken pensengat no ya kijing tei jong tei ka yang mani henti bat mentapat hadian tak tu kan dia pernah ngi ba kila sedang menyetai biang kila stok biang mentari kena persen sabandap yang tiga tempel te nak kalian kejong ngi lawan kedua yo DIG melaikan bat lighter layakan bat kajingkan bat onong kamlong ba siso mar beli ba mu ngej bat ngej bat kubur yak ke ba kaseng ke bala kaseng ke kala ajimut bat nak kalian kaseng menta nilaya laya lek bat yak khang tala yak tiga yang manin kia bat ni sepek pat ba ke ban rai ni ki officer ni mar ki ong yi ba kin ai kata assurance in return ba kin persengat no ya ka construction ke bala ke bagila trai te nak leng kaseng menta ngirang persengat swa bat lai khang tala bat dan ru i bar jelai bat train tai bat mai jakiru ngila be hi sundan mar bakim dan jata ki slide babiang bat nak leng kaseng ni up yak ta ka city ke ba kin yuk ke ba ka CBI kan ai ni bat harta yang cek pat ada laka benjur ya ka jira wajeng seng nak leng ni clean tu lantai bat ada kebur ya ka jira wajeng ni bersih dengan ni bat supaya poru ba ni bandang leng seng bat ni sempat aku senjam mar ni lai poru ki setio ba kin scrap no yak tika yang menien thi jika menilai bat ada kan di department kamlai ai ban sing yang nak sing ban sing bat kajingwan ji kan ban su bagin dekran ngin ban bat daga bor bat ban penpra scrap no ya tiga yang menien thi
kipat ba kibayat bayang akan dailat akan nong ba shlong kila her serngyo haba keladon palap ekawai ke bag bat ke trolley kabale ha kawai ke jaka pat ba kabala penlong senon gi pulit ban su bajor ba kila bandon gi tiar pen betai bat kumta ki pulit jangka bomb squad kilawan poi mardor hagene ke jaka hendrei ke basngo thamula kalong ba hakum gene ke por we ubreu ulawan ban kam trai yakini ki tiar kayat ke yang ba kali kawan jeng nolit nongwan bat ki kali kitan kendai lat shilong kala sange bat sakut kombai steng ngetai hadin balap ekoi ke bag rong jerngam ekoi ke trolley rong yong ibayang sa apo surok kini kejeng lap ye kini kimar pat ba kala penlong ye nolit nongwan ban yang da kejeng sier ba kejeng suba ke bajor bale asie kini ki bag kidan kitiar pen bethai ni kitiar pen mensau ruba baro kilahap ban up ye pulet jong katanat bomb squad banwan chekne jaka khnang ban tikna ye kejeng shisha hagane ke por bagi bor pahara bagi pulet kila penkloy ban khangi pat ba ana baro kilat hag surok ba akan dailat kanang meneda na kejeng ma kabala banja dekat bagi pat ba kedang yang na kejeng sungus ir bat up kami lenti ye ketenat bomb squad menwan hier kensan lawan mi uwe ubrio ubalalet bet chekene kejaka badan gini gibek bagi trolley ban chimno yaki bali itu baula kum klet yaki hajan kejaka parking scooty akan dailat kani kejingwan chim kensan unu ubrio ke bek bagi trolley kelawan ra kejing risa pat ba kejing kedet ke bakrau ya baro kiba yadon penban kala penhiar mensiam bat penlong ya baro ban su tho ba kam de ke bek badan jingma nek badan kitiar pen bethai kumbala suba
Nak kai.
Da ke jingtmu baniale ban rat dengkong yo drugs. Hak singi palai jong katayo ka Khasi Students Union North Khasi Hills District Unit. Kali yo abat ikawi ka kali jong giriu shimed kabala bo digi number plate basyuthok ha sning. Bala yo ru ban kurup yo drugs ubala tmu ban kayi bean.
Awak tak nomor tinggi das. Tahu mah?
Ranyo kendai. So.
Ka KSU North Khasi Hills District lengba ka Organizing Committee pogajing lam Organizing Secretary Justin Ongbet kalapan shrip badio bat ya udrugs rengkat ke jingbat ekawe kali jakiru shimet ke bapanan kam degi number plate ke basyuthok haga step jong ka khatsan tarik unaitung arajar arpun rio ha sning kane kijingja kala jaharin bageseng kala yo lu kijing tip beti kana shphang gajing tu gili gibrio ban chalan igini kijing di penbu at de ka bapadan kam de number plate nongwei ne ki babakla halor ki kali jongki kenang ban yo penle agi kam syukur nagaliang kaseng kala labnya abadan kijing sela ka bajura pen gibrio ka banabar ka jela rengkat bat ki kat tu kan ki samla khasi ki betrelang kum ki nongket ba ki nong penbiang yo drugs hakane ka jela Hadin bala apthap bat penapsyrip kamslem degi dekat ke KSU North Khasi Hills District. Layo bat igini kali bat degi brio ke badan keti hakne kam kaba keseng kala keno ba ki penlong yang kathan sning bat ke district ri boy bar ko wai kum galenti ban chalan bat poi igini drugs shakibai pak ki jaka. Hadin baliyo bat toket igini kinong chalan drugs ka KSU kal IT igini baro akan tu bagi brio ka kali bagi mar beliau kurup shigi bor pulet kathanat sning. Agak kapor keseng kala kentu bat dawa ki bor gaan bancim ki senjam ki beteng bat ban map ya ki bakum gini ki beriuk bongan ra ya ke jingjat bat ke jing pendok jat ki imlang salang kumjo ya ki samla kathan
Jebol nak jebol tak kecap ngamang
Jebol kali 4 man.
Ramai sakta. उठने नहीं सकता क्या हो गया
Acting.
अभी कितना जन हो गया हो गया
Ba kidan ki kali ki lapan kala ya kan number plate kali ka kali ke balik ki la ebat yang kan khot jemi apa nongpo kali kila salet kila ya bet nang tai din jing upship lang na kali yang jong ki sing circle tinggal lihat banbat iki kali ke ba mut pensialan drugs hadir ngelihat banbat kali ke ngilap si bunmut ki hatu kali gidan ki Dakar gidan ki para khasil jong gidan napo Shillong gidan napo Langkarding gidan napo Pentor gidan napo Wahindo te hadirin jeng ngilap toket ba ngil yo jingtip susu ru ba gidan ru kini ki kali Torres ki basalan ni drugs ling ba jong wei u Dakar uba min sajo jengtip bahasibet admar klara ki pulit yaki te ba ki wan ban selan ni drugs jenis pop meklaya jungi nati nampo Assam lingba ki brio jungi hi ki Khasi jungi hi te kene korwo ka basya kaliang jo kaseng ba yakini ki supplier ba kaliang jungi kaseng mitip ben babin BLT jongpi andrai kadang kapor bangimla ban yok ban bat kadang kapor bangila ban bat lewat mud bagian pelat sok hakapor bangiyo bagian bat bet bagian ajing sneng hidu akum bedai ai baka department lane ka bos sokar kan le badon kam nak lihat ka senghi kumung juga hakapor ni pe perman bet mini kam ngai nak por support ngai bat berkum taski ka long ke basriso bagian IT no eki sekalian department ai kam ai department terle nak lihat ka senghi kadang pilot laka di ka step ngabru laka di steng miru liang juga seng maka juga pos itu lang berki kena snong ke dom sing idon pagnya perman ng pos
Menteri Rangba Kejela Meghalaya Konrad Kongkal Sangma hagas ngipalay jong katayo ulalu me kejingalang bat ki he officer Kejela ban bishar bnia ya ki kam ki jam bat dagi project ki bala penteri kam dagi tenat bapher jong Kejela nagbenta ban ajing mentoy ki pat ba nong snong jong Kejela Meghalaya Hagani kejingalang ka belalum do Menteri Rangba Kejela Konrad Kongkal Sangma ban kemi ya ki kam bagi project bapher Ha ka jing pentrekam ya ka CM Solar Mission, ka PM Kusum bat ka PM Surya Ghar. Dak bapai kemat aga ban peniar gilat banyo aga boarding na kesni. Ka bakot bat ka bakot bor gibat ba akal yang gejela. Letai sani gebut trekam ban penyaso iki solar program jeng gejela bak sarkar Padang kenang ban peniar bat ban kentiu aga jing pentrekam bat ban penstet aga jingbo iki rooftop solar system bat kiwe gilat ban penmi boarding na kesni. Kila kami benia aru akabaydai bagajing dan pisa ka Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited bat yatai sani halor kisen jam ban penbhai ka jingla ban penek pensa ka pisa rengkat ka jing penti kena bakan amdan ka jing thot ka jing sam boarding syakipat ba.
In the power department, we had a review of some of the central schemes like PM Kusum as well as the PM Surya program. In both these programs, as you are aware, that we have to work closely with different agencies as well as different suppliers. In some cases, suppliers who are there listed with the Government of India, and implement and support the different beneficiaries. So we reviewed the entire program of PM Kusum as well as PM Surya Ghar program, and we have chalked out strategies on how to ensure that more beneficiaries can get benefits from it. As you're aware, the PM Kusum program is the solar powered pumping irrigation machines, which are of very great importance to our farmers and can be very helpful. So we have targeted that we should ensure that we are able to increase the number of beneficiaries in this financial year. The PM Surya Ghar mission is of course the solar panels to be installed where free electricity will be given to the beneficiaries in terms of the solar panels being installed, and there is a component of the amounts to be given by the beneficiary, him or herself, and a certain amount will be subsidized by Government of India. So we reviewed those programs and we set specific targets, and we have worked out ways in which state government can also play its role to increase the number of beneficiaries and ensure that the implementation is done more efficiently. We also overall discussed about the financial health of the power department and MECL specifically. And I am very happy to see that the overall financial stability has improved to a very large extent in MECL. And on a regular basis, the different financial components of loans and interest payments are being paid, salaries are being paid, pensions are being paid, and the different power agencies to whom we have to pay are also being paid on a regular basis, and collection also has improved drastically. And slowly and steadily, of course, we expect that as we are able to clear our past dues, that in a matter of 5 to 6 years, we will see a very strong stability coming up in the MECL, which will be of great help, as I said, to the power department and to the state as a whole.
Ha kene ke jingelang labi syaru ya bon kisenjam bela syemban penkela ya ke kamri jengri ha kejela kat kom ke job start ke bamenta ke bakentop ya ke jingshna ke College of Veterinary Science ha kedam kulai benelek ben peniar jing treka mi kor digital ha ke ben jing sumar ke jingri bat ke jing kenteu kerdan ke jing tai ban la ben penklan ya ke jing penmi ke jingri bat ben kenteu ke kamai jing kinongra la pente bagatenat kala ai ke livestock health certificate dak bashle online nadu unai lor arajar arpusan bat kejing yai beteng ya kejing ai inject badan yadai kejing pang na kebentak kakot kakya ya kejing ri hakeleng kejela lapan pauru baka kamri siar bat risnyang kilong kebekongsan bah kum kilat kamai hakitan nong kendong jong kejela detai ru halor kejing penyang ya ki animal check post hari boy bat West Garo Hills bantek lakam kejing pang kimrat ki bawana syabar kejela kejing pethamai ki farm jong sarkar kejing bo ya ke regional cement production laboratory bat cement bank kejing shna ya ke animal shelter ha arpu armer narang riboy hapo jong ka Rashtriya Gokul Mission bat kiwei.
And we looked at the overall functioning of the department. At the same time, we worked towards creating specific targets and goals, especially when it comes to the overall demand and supply and measures on how to reduce the gap between the demand and supply. And second, to ensure that the overall livelihood opportunities that are there for our farmers, how we could enhance it, how we could give opportunities to entrepreneurs to come into this sector and create value. So all of these aspects were discussed, and how government should intervene in it. All the details were discussed in this aspect. At the same time, we also looked into the support structure and system required for it, whether it's the manpower shortage that's there in the department, or the supply of feed, or the vaccination program, and important infrastructures like the veterinary hospital. All of these aspects were discussed in detail, and in the coming weeks we will again further review the plan of action and how we will move forward in those aspects.
Menteri Rangba Kejelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulong baga Megalaya kelepeni ya kejengkiu syaprang hagi babun gi benta bede baga kot kakya kat kum kakai pot jong ke NFHS arasar arpusan bat kat kum kakai pot lepeni ya kejeng seiso kejeng simkya ke sorkar halor kene ke benta ulitho baga jeng tray hagi district hospital PHC CHC bat sub center ke lihat cekman baga sorkar kan seshim shushu iksenjam man penklan gi jeng tay gi shnong githau ulong baga Shillong Medical College keladon benta ha ke senam ke baar bat chan ka batch ke batmai penrong no bat ka sorkar kala ajing menjur ban penbo ni gijing tai bat dikino hikai hagi wat ban kenjo e gijing bu kerdan hagari India.
And in this review we have seen the NFHS report of 2025, and the different parameters of the health indicators in the state were reflected in that report, which is of course a national report for different states that comes out. And again, I'm very happy to see that the overall performance of Meghalaya has improved drastically in almost all the parameters in a positive way, which indicates that a lot of our efforts are showing results, especially, as I said, in the health sector. At the same time, we reviewed the different infrastructural works and investments going on in the health sector, whether it's at the district hospital level, PHCs, CHCs or sub-centers. And again, I'm happy to inform that the works are going on at a very good pace. Of course, there is a lot more desired, as the scale of work that's going on is very huge, but we are happy to see the progress. And further, as I said, we will ensure that more and more steps are taken to strengthen the overall health infrastructure in the grassroots level. The third aspect of the health department, which we had discussed today, was regarding the medical colleges. And as you're aware that we have already started the Shillong Medical College, and this is the second year now. And therefore the first year students of this year's batch will be again joining. So there is a requirement for additional rooms, additional faculty space, additional academic space. So all those matters were discussed in detail, and we have agreed to work out in a phase-wise manner to ensure that there is no lack of infrastructure in Shillong Medical College, and we keep up with the different requirements that is there at the national level.
Kesorkar jelak layatai bat penpau kejing dan kam menang penklan ya kejing penrong kerteng adhar bat KYC hakaleng kejela ban pentikna bagi nongyok bentai ke beri hok kinyo kejing mentoy negi skim beper. Ukonrat kongkal sangma uloong bagi kesorkar jelak kelap jing mut ban pendap kejing duna ha kejing penyeso adhar bat jing pensisai kinongyok jing mentoy. Lapentip bah nyau point not ar nagsispa kilong yang kidai kebelasya akan tup apa ka Megha Health Insurance Scheme Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana neka MHIS PMJAY balpedia so bu adhar kat ba san punyo point iway lai nagsispa kidai kinong yok jung toy shimet baladat penyaso. Menteri Rangba uliato bahapo jong ka National Food Security Act kejela kelapendap hadu hendru puway point not iway nagsispa ya ka KYC. Bagi sorkar kadang kejing perkat ban penon kamno dagi Common Service Center ban penstat ya kejing pensisai ke bedangsa bat ban penrung kerteng adhar ya ki breu ki bampat dep hakeleng kejela. Haswa bang ne kemi ki kubor ke bedangsa ngina phaswa sipor syakini kejing penmena.
Lily,
Klan.
Kanda pitharai kan ni kapisa. Kali jauh na kan ni. Ba ka hospital te kala ajngai nang ni.
Binti Ashwa hang ni hadu nda de por kamu.
Sister, hapsiu kat noma.
Kasurkar kalau siulut ikijing lut jing separo.
Namar man kaway pa kaway ka minsim kalong ka bakordor.
Hashwa bin kimi ki kubor ke bedangsa ngin pen mau biang ki mat bakong san ba kubor mentah ketayo. Ban penyang ki kerdap kamdai setia ke bae. Kajinge ka di banwan rakyat ong okon rat sangma. Propusan nak sispa ada bansan ki enumeration form kinong ka buat Meghalaya hapok ka special intensive revision. Ngimtre ban long kilang kenya na benta ka jintha ka ri India ong ka KSU. On wanra ka sarkar do resolution na ki dorbar thawan ban persya ka kamti uranium. Bani ka bade artengka kilo kadang bha basam yu kubi shipat ba da kejing iet ong kinong rap. Khot hajar ki pulit utrai bat kontraktor halo kejing nyap kisan mot halapalang. Bat laraki akan mau buram ni kalingko senam senyap ke basis pak kenai puwei jong tirot sing siem. Menteri Ketenat Sports and Youth Affairs ke Jela Meghalaya uba Wailat Miki Shela. Ula pentep bagi sarkar Jela kelan mang kumbah nerus pak keluar tengkai yai na kebenta ban penkre ya ke National Games. Kumjo kumu menteri bakmi ya ketenat kakot kakya ulong bagi sarkar Jela kan beteng manbut dian bat ula yoru banyakran bat menteri ke sarkar pedeng ubakmi ya ketenat kakot kakya halor ke jingdawa ban kentiu kerdan ya ke Negrims Shaka Institute of National Importance. Menteri Ketenat Sports and Youth Affairs ke Jela Meghalaya ba Wailat Miki Shela ula pentep bagi sarkar Jela kalamang thamai kumbah nerus pak keluar tengka na kebenta ban penkre akan National Games. Ula penpa ke jingkermen skema barok ke jingtai ke bedai bat kene kalumpung elakai ke liat cekmat bat kendep adu uno opera lani kelalengkot jong kesenam menwan. Nalor ke jing penkre gimadan bat ki office menteri ulong bagi sarkar kelabu ru ya kesong pisan na kebenta ki Sports Association ki bakwa ban pa kinong elakai Syabar ke Jela banyo ya ke jing tebet ba ke jing hikai. Kini ke jing rap kamdai ke bapen bor ndri ke syong hakarai jeng ki association hi ban penan kam kat kum ki jing don kam jing kinong elakai ban penkre ba Hashwa ke National Games.
Soon and all, but still the work is still going on, and from what we have seen is that we are quite confident that before the national game by December or January, all the venue will be ready.
So any estimates worked out, sir, like for the entire national games? Sir?
Estimate, yeah. Last time we have more or less we have. Proposed from as you all know that we have formed this national game committee. So on that then we have worked out little bit and then it has come to almost 600 crores for the national games. If you remember in the second phase we already said that we have kept a provision where different association where if they want to send their athletes for outside exposure, so we have kept some amount. So fund for that. So that is what we are saying. That not necessary. It's up to them whether they feel it is necessary. They can go, and if not, they can use the amount for their other purposes. Yeah, definitely, because I think exposure play a very important role because it's not only about training. It's about how to perform at that particular moment, and then especially to compete with the top level athletes. So that is very much important. So I feel no doubt it is very important for the outside exposure.
Halor kamat kebedai bagi jingjabo kalir habernihat. Menteri Ketenat kakoi kakya ke Jela Meghalaya uba Wailat Miki Shela ulong bagi sarkar kadam syem kenung nuk senjam tang halor ki kubor hak rensan social media. Klem de bishar benia bat pensisha shwai ke jingtip. Ula kedau bahaduk menta empat dan kanu kejing ujor ke balawan cekmat agar hukum kejing tho rengkat berkisaki ke babiang. Walau menteri ula pediang baga bernihat kelajudan nakatup jeng kijaka ke bajabo leer tam ula banjur ba ke Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board kela shim benia ke senjam ke bala penlong ki bani okusnam. Bat kangru ya ki karkhana ke ba penken kendon. Ula benrap baga sorkar kahap ban perkat langru ikalat kamai jeng kinong shong shawan shim ya ke rai ke bakat do.
Because whatever we see in social media. No, nothing has come in written. So I think it is very important that they should give in writing along with all the supporting data which they have. You see, because nowadays with all the technology in place, so anybody can say whatever they like. But for us as a government, we cannot just jump on anything if anybody comment, because this is related with the livelihood of the people as well. You cannot deny that, because if we just jump and if anything is impacted, like what had happened for the coal mining in 2014, NGT comes, no doubt environmental issue was there, right? We are not denying that. But we have to also to think the impact which gonna cause the people living in that area, which still now you see that the people are like, now they are coming to the street. So that's why I feel that as a government, I think no doubt we have to listen. We are not. I'm not saying that we are not looking at it. No doubt we are looking at it, and we are trying to from our sources and other. From other sources, we are trying to get all the details, whether it is fact or not. But we need time to process that. We cannot just say that jump on that whatever they showed in the social media and we jump there and go for inspection, close this and that. I think that is not the way. So we have a process to follow.
But because based on the ranking of,
like I said, I'm not denying that. I mean, like we in the past we have seen that Bernihat was top at one of the polluted place, industrial area. But at the same time also, I think you have seen it yourself that many initiatives have been taken by the government. And then we have also closed many of the industrial units which have not followed the guideline, who have not maintained the pollution, the AQI. So we have already taken action, and I think because of all those action, just recently, if you remember, the Meghalaya State Pollution Board had received an award, based on the step they have taken in Bernihat. So I think that itself, it is it is kind of opposite what we are hearing right now. But I'm not saying that I'm not denying that there is that is an industrial area. We should not forget that. But what I'm saying is that we need to check the credibility of that of that news, of that evidence before taking any step. If you say, if I can just comment here, I will say, what is happening in Delhi? Delhi is like the air quality in Delhi. The kind of serious kind of effect, the effect which is affecting the people living in Delhi of their health. We heard that many children are suffering now. So based on that, they will take action. So they will go through their process, they will check, they will verify, and then after that they will take action. I'm not saying that we are not doing nothing. We'll do, but we'll follow our procedure, and at the same time, because we have to be very careful when it is deal with the livelihood of the people.
Kajingbun kinongpang tuberculosis sa Meghalaya kelanang hiar kat kum kakai pot kebarang yok temai. Waladang don arna lai teligi distrik kebarang hab banyakun kamjur persyak kene kejingpang. Umenteri ketenat kokot kakia kejelau ba wailat miki shelau la penpau ba kejing pensutuk patba ba kejing buat pura ya kejing sumar kelong ke bakongsan ban penduna ya ketibi ha kejela. Ban wengi kejing akiba kinongpang kia kendo ban pendep kejing sumar. Umenteri ulah tho syabarok ki MLA bakin adopt ya kinongpang TB halaki jongki constituency. Kini kejing erap kan kentubru kejing erap pisa bantiat kejing bam batai met kenang banang penduna syusuk kini kejing pang hagi shnong kitau.
Tuberculosis is, I think, according to latest report which I'm receiving, it has decreased. It is a decreasing trend, but there is area to area wise where I think some concern has to be focused. I don't have the correct data with me, but last time in the review meeting I still remember that it is in a decreasing trend, but we'll urge that awareness has to be given to certain areas, and at the same time we urge people to come forward and adopt these people, because there are some certain cases, certain loss of follow-up cases, because you know that because they have a certain period where they have to take their medication. So but at the same time during their medication they have to take this healthy food, nutritious food. So that's why especially in the rural areas where people are very poor. So that's why last time also I have written a letter to all my colleague MLA in the assembly that if they can adopt this tuberculosis patient in their constituencies, where if they adopt them and then give them this, provide them with financial assistance to buy this nutritious food. So definitely we'll see that in the coming days we'll see the much decreasing trend in tuberculosis.
Meghalaya Commercial Truck Owners and Drivers Association hakala asni ublay jeng katayo kalapan pau kejing sokya bat dawa nak sarkar Meghalaya bat Assam banchim kya tikna halor kejing jaklep uba mewari odkhar uba nagasnong nartiang harilom jantia ulaja nadok kalai terik mentau naitung. Kaseng Meghalaya Commercial Truck Owners and Drivers Association haga kalai terik unaitung arajar arpunrio kalapan pau kejing sokya kebajar halor kejing bamla banchim kya jeng sarkar jela Kebana Meghalaya bat Assam hadin budukot jengka uba mewari odkhar uba nagathan nartiang harilum jantia. Bat ubaderu bujunya akali ula jakno naduk kalai terik menta unaitung. Haga bedai bakania nakaliang kani kaseng kalapan pau bakanya ibut dia nakani ngakam tak aduk bo para dukot jengki unwan pai shalayeng. Nakaliang juk pa ju lekerpat elau jongkun banwan pai no shalayeng naba ikhlam bo jeng subas niu AAU bat kumjuru lekerpat eksorkar jela lengbau sembut menteri rangba ubak senyau belangdhar bo chim kialem ya kani kakam. Habagran ni ginong tok kubor chairman jang kani association uba Maslander Marngar. Ukpa ju uba trailam shela kidikot jang kani kaseng MCTODA bekentup yau nong aktien uba wan chwa nong tru u general secretary uba Peter Marbanyang kilietu uba mewari odakar ulajak naruk kalai terik mentau naitung. Bat mari jeng tip balor kania nak kaliang keseng rengkat lang bagi bahayeng kilelik wat jeng tip bat kumjuru ban ujor ke ejahar haguhati bat kumjuru hari boy. Ulituru bau mewari udai bujunya ikitrok kit dobilat narilum jantia bat kumjuru bujuminot bahaya lakakam. Uba marngar ula keno ru eksorkar jela bat kumju eksorkar Assam bakim la bancengkia na dugasngi bakil ujor halau kejingja no jong ba mewari. Kaseng MCTODA kalau bagi beliau na Meghalaya kilet syabar kejela bat jukam jeng tip syuk satya dekepan pau pat kejing kermen bau bak mewari unwan pai nak shalayeng daga basuk basan.
Te ngawan ne ban pentit sikri ya ka jingja ba ukun jenga ula tum accident haka light step ba walas tenge. Te siya mula ka report Bagaimana tip bagi mungkin ibu siapa hospital GMC kan hospital GMC yang ta ngemi am start merasa tu ngeret kini kita sakaya ane kalau yang te minum lah kat ni wat minum tertemu dengan kunjungi atau tertemu wat itu kan ni wat kita ambil hantar ngeret paksa pok kretri police station dan Sakamru district Singapura. Hantang ngelap bagi polis kilabat EU bat kilalepo EU siapa jam district hospital Singapura. Tinggal ini hantar bat kila orang ini bat kilet setisipot. Agak penkit itu dekat ang bonjure setisipot GMC hospital. Di air direkod bagi polis safety di air kim air kena ke ini napa district hospital. Tinggal itu. Hari itu dah kesal minum lah. Kinong lap ke sip ke dom ke kai ke gambar nang tang ni nila lambu la la lap kumit ke dom tang pun sa di khat jong ke MC tu dan jadi beli lo ke keluar ban gerap na do ke santri bat jute asing ngele pasat stay nyawat minum lah dalam ka asu perkhat mu amda ngele pasi hade nang ta nila bo ya ka mesin no mesin nila bo ya ka mesin han tu polis nang mal tu tu ajo pandem sit ini lepan ya kata cuma bakin air ya ka detail ko ajo ka dinostar wan lembaga CCTV iklam ay anda kawai kesempatan ni radio bukan lama transportasi jadi ay ni ada kendali dia kata CCTV ni ini siapa wan ka wanjoe but umit pa wan ponyo stone but umit pa na ta hosta ni hado sibye gitu dengan kata umit nang buat ni susah saya tang ketaro di ai udah kan ke bawah sini lembaga jilid jong bisa SP jongga nongko jadi pak ini beliau naduk sekretari naduk ke institution opus baca kenapa opus dia di angkat ini iya sih naduk kata ko naduk kata si bumi naduk kita bisa untuk minum langsung saya
Iladon way driver jumi belajar menurut library dan new atau country hang teha Singapura Assam ke ini dengan jumi association MC Tudan Jelam kejelang kemar jumi Jerman dari general secretary jom central body jumi bagi members dari district welfare dan lewat ini jangan kejakan madu na Assam bat schedule sene chathai jumi lewat driving lam dominta kidukot jumi kilaya buat nomor 4 namar himdon meeting ide air bagi transport kidon lagi jumi kalimo baik ide baik head office ki kalau baik nama babun ki transport company ki ba operate apa jalan jumi kamtam ki ba kitmen ka office ki jumi headquarter ka de sama dan di Badan Assam dan di Badan Syah itu ada lagi syukur itu di nila wat nomor phone jong manager but nila keren yang nila yo ya keren phone ba nila tentu ya ba kin shimkia ya kam banwan ni kendu ibayin dan ni banwan ni kendu lomba jungil ni alam ibayin ban ya rap na mi kam ado ya tu mata kamot kam ta ni kanu kanu gaji kitkia lagi ata gaji seso pada kalian jungki kin shimkia ya kam
Kumba Jule aman laga senam ka Khasi Students Union haga sitho diang jong katayo kalakan mau buram ya kelengko senam sngiyap ka ba shispa khandai puwei jong pa em tirat sing siem da ka ba penlong ya kejingalang haumat sa anam jong tirat sing siem ubadan hamadan yoreng hap ha kanong ba shlong habakran ngani ngi presiden ka KSU ulong baban kan mau kani ngi kam deban kot tang ha ka bobo sentio Ndai kapor ban pusan na kajat benriau kalong nem kabayang ha ka hok utirat sing ubalayap banedai kari. Halor kejing temu ke sarkar ban menjor ke resolution persya ya kejing ti bat kejing klong yo marpo kendo uranium na kathan domesiat bat kisnong bamarjan. Ureman kharjana ulapan pau kejing sngongo ndai ulapan kan mau batang ke resolution kampatla baneda ada amdan kejing ti benya balai kireu pau khamat kejela kila sedang bantiat jaka bat balai lapan wandor ke surok thama shikini kithan badon nunu marpo kendo. Kaseng kanyai pensngutu iki paradok para senam ya kejing ma kabaap bat kan amsha ikinu ginu gibor ban pendam bat syat kala ya kari namar kejing mentoi shimet. Ureman kharjana ulama ham yaki menderi bakim dai benelaka ya kene gamat namar kadai gamat kaba yahap bat em gayap jong kejat bendreu khasi kaba de kejat bendreu red pat kaba den napadeng kejing syong sier yo kajano na kaperthai lada amdan kejing ada ka baskem ule kentu ya sarkar ban chim khya mardor namar haduk menta kampat don kanu kaan kabala bante alaka me kejing wandrung ki menderi kat ba ka resolution jong ka ILP pat kadang sa ak omdom ula penkut de kejing ong baladalong ki ba kau puat menta kapateng kebanwan kan chong sier ndai lari samla kilong ki baslor bat kloy ban lenel dia na kementa kari kata kadai kejing ais ngobha ka bapakatam ya ki pateng ki ban sawan
kajing le pendon buram kam dei kaban sukun tang kajing bu ya usentiu Henry kadairu kasni hakabangin paidien bagin pusan hatu kum kajat benriu ilong mo kita shohok bankam yang nongeti bagini kiklawat kelai no shadin ka history kabatai kum kajat benriu banakawe kapor kiriu le berkiriu badan kejingin keli ialah ri berkejat benriu kijungop bagi syat kelano ha kita kikular jong kimentoi sisi hagini khniat ski ngilai lingbagi lat pathai kubor hakabai dei baga jingtemu jong sarkar banwarano yang kata resolution kum kadak ban peni yang kata jing persya jong kejilahi bro away yang kejing temu banti batklong yuti marpo khendo nanti lithan domisiat bagi jaka memarjan hot nakaliang jong seng iso ban pau yang kata kacing songo yang kata rai jong sarkar hendai ngasnoru ban pat hange ba tang kacing pas yang kata resolution kani kacing alenti banekun yang kacing ti yuti marpo khendo kamdei shu kamdei kabalakut hendai nakaliang kaseng ginangai persyang ginangai perni janai bat ginang piyai sudhu ya baro ki parado prasnam ya kacing ma kabaap ya kari bagajat benriu ha kabai dei bat kajing klong yuti marpo khendo nama kaseng ketiap badi isyai ya kata kajing temu kabashalandet nama haki khniat ski khniat tayo bagaseng lasdang ban khlebiang ya kane gamat klasyam bagi babun kiriu pahumat jong kejela kelasdang ban hiar siti dong itan ban penting pensmit kotapan yaki parado prasnam ban persyang ban sedang ban syim ban thiet yaki jaka ya kaba kum keseng itip syai kajing temu jong kajing syim yaki tu gijaka hak atu bentah hoi ni sutu bagi i kumawang meneh bangata resolution kin sapas Henry kapakongsan maso barong ni baka sarkar kadairu ban pelang ya kajingti bnia babalai kita ki riu shimat kisdang ban syemi gijaka hak tigitan ilay osno hanaru shani satai bagadon kajing temu banti ban penwandur ya kita kisturok nagi waipat kijaka kiban longpat kijaka kiban poi sa kitan kibadon yutu marpo khendo kakubor kabasyai nakalian kaseng nakwa manai sabaro itu kimenderi bawon dong liakai ya kane gamat namar kane gamat kane gamat ya em ya yap jong wei pu wei parado prasnam jong jat benriu upayim tilot sing ulayap naga benta banyada ya kata ka jinglong kerpang ke jongi kladon nagi giski kiblai phone kiblai message kiblai ong koba tuan tugar lang se kani ke office ke jongi kamai cuti tani katai ke office kamai cuti kum naseng ni julong ki bala kloy ban mi ban penting kena bah kita jaga trai lagi jaga boleh kin burom yang kita kesini gerbang joga jat penrio hendak kau ikat jingkel lipat ngaparu ban bu yang lagi parado senam kai ke pelong nyepi bapentian watang bapinpep yang kajintlay dan pun yang persya yakin senior ski jompi dan lagi banyak bahan jompi hakum gani ski badai nak kata kadau ngat sekali mana bong ba hatu ilong pitor mo yang kata kenong ngenti kaba upaya tirat sing ulai nak benta jongi kiba menta kalawai kaba kumdu bangin ai yang kapateng kaban sawan lamar ngisung tu syai lada ilong kiba kau put menta mod kacat benri kaban so kapateng kaban sawan kan salong kapateng kabasyong haksyong sir syong ma hendak lagi ilong kita kistamla kiba kloy kiba slur bat kiba kloy ban lan ladie nak benta kacing yang scam kacing yang rasong jogeri bakajat benri hi ngatai kata kandai kacing ai snobha kebapakatam kebangila ban ai sya kepateng kebansawan kitang ini kentian mat perang keluar kari Islam KSU kublai syejarlu
te parlok dak tu ngila poi juga bakut juga tu kubor jingi menta kejan miet ngin se syambyang bat pilih syam teo haga juga sengi bat haga juga por kublai shibon dengan por jong pi syasok